Hi, and welcome to the fifth booster pack opening from the mystery booster box. So let's get into it right away. Get this door opened right here. That's going to be a little bit difficult. There we go. That out of the way, and let's see what we've got. Oh, let's see. Pharaoh's Faithful. Pharaoh, oh God, Pharaoh's Faithful. Human Wizard. Nice. And we have the Soul Warden. Also a white cleric there. We have the Warden of Evo's Isle. 2/2 bird there. Bird wizard, actually. We have the Seagate Oracle. Nice. We have Defeat. Sorcery. Black sorcery. Then we have Street Wraith. Nice creature there. We have the Reckless Fireweaver. Pretty nice. Only had one uncommon so far this pack. Let's see here, we have the Fervent Strike instant. Nice. And Lead by Example. Nice green instant there. We have the Blossom Dryad. Untap target land. Good. And then we're getting into the multicolors here. The Kindry Invocation. Uncommon. Pretty good. We have another multicolor. Benthic Infiltrator. Eldrazi Drone. Nice. Common. So, then we have the Fate Pathracer of Ulamog. Oh, also Eldrazi. 9/9, 11 cast course. And then we have Gravecrawler for the rare. Nice one there. Oh, and we have an upside down foil. Burning Inquiry. Pretty nice. And if you're wondering how you can see that these are actually from the mysteries, because these are all reprints from, I think from Mirage and all the way up to now. But the way that you can see that these are actually from the mystery set and not from the original is that little icon right down there in the corner. Don't know if you can see it properly, but it's just a small planeswalker icon. That actually differs because these are original reprints. So this was the fifth of the booster packs, and I'll open another one in a little while. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.